Hello everyone, how to do. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make money uploading videos on your Instagram account. So it's really simple. First of all, you need to install this app. It's called Hop, and simply tap on the open button. So then you have to create your account. It's really simple. You can create your account with Google, Facebook, Apple ID. So I created videos how to create account, so you can watch that videos. And after that, simply tap here to discover, then scroll down. Basically you can earn money uploading videos on your Instagram account. You don't need any followers, you don't need any supporters, you just need views. So the option is content rewards. So I'm just going to tap the show wall. Here you can see show wall. So you can see 305 result. It means 305 company available here that you can see here. For example, I'm just going to choose randomly. Okay, this one. Okay, you can see here, like these clips, it's clipping. It means you can take videos from their content and you can upload the videos in your account, like Instagram account. You can see X and YouTube also. So simply tap, choose the one, like you can see here. Okay, I'm just going to choose another one. Okay, this one. You can see per 1000 video you'll get $1. Like you don't need any things like, and they offer 7,600 US dollar, and they already paid 8800 and allow platform Instagram, X and YouTube. So I'm just simply click here. I'm just going to show you process. You can read here and simply tap on the join button. You have to join first. Then you'll get their profile and open Hop. So content rewards, you can see $1 per 1000 views on Instagram. So they have many days left. And what is the process? Like guidelines start here. So content drive and live streaming. So if you type content guidelines, then you'll get guidance from them, like how to create your videos and how to clip. So you can see it's to understand your mission, choose where to post. Like you can see most important in Instagram, dedicated page, best option. You can read it, like how to start, and they give you the solution. Post one reel per day between 5 to 10 p.m. and they have requirement. Okay, and the thing is, this is clipping. It means they give you the videos and you have to take a clip, short clip, like I don't know, some, and DM any following of. So you can see, you read all the things and you will get content drive. So content drive, everything you'll need to go viral. So content drive, if you click here and you will get the content. Then like if you read all the things, and after that you have to upload the videos in your Instagram account, and once you get 1000 views, then they provide you $1 per 1000 views on Instagram reels.